What's up, everybody? Just got into some metal scrapping recently. Took apart a desktop computer I found sitting on the side of the street. Got 4 gigabytes of RAM here. I think it's still functional. I could sell it on eBay. Should go pretty good. And then I also took apart this old styled flat screen computer monitor, but it was an old school flat screen. And I got these little chips here. All that shiny yellow stuff is indeed gold. So you could do gold recovery on these. Is it worth it? Not necessarily. But this one has a lot of gold here. Pretty nice. This took me about 15 minutes or so to tear apart. CPU. And just the scrap from the monitor. It was plastic, had a plastic exterior, but then I tore it up, and you got these heavy, I guess this is steel plates here. Pretty heavy, about aluminum or aluminium for all the European folks watching. You got about 6 pounds in total there. Not too bad. Right here, LCD screen I tore apart. I don't know if this is even gonna go for anything, but whatever. It is what it is. A bunch of parts here. Motherboard. Speaker parts. Just general speaker parts. Chips. That have actually copper pieces on them. Let me see if I can find one right quick. That stuff is copper. Not too bad. So yeah, I got into this recently, thinking of making this continual hobby for some extra change here and there. And you know, gotta do what you gotta do. Cheers.